Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make and can tomato sauce easy guide. Start by selecting ripe Roma or plum tomatoes, wash, core, and score skins for easy peeling. Blanch tomatoes briefly, then peel and crush them to the texture you prefer. Simmer with garlic, onion, salt, and basil until flavors meld and sauce thickens to desired consistency, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Heat a large heavy pot, add a splash of olive oil, softened onions, and garlic, then toss in peeled crushed tomatoes. Bring to a gentle simmer, skim foam, and cook until the sauce reduces and flavors deepen. Add salt and minced basil near the end, and stir to combine. Test seasoning, add citric acid if needed for safe pH, and keep sauce warm while preparing jars and lids for canning. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel and cooking tips. Quick recommendation: musical notes bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. Check the description for the link and other deals to help while you cook. It plays music, sets timers, and answers questions hands-free in the kitchen, which is super handy. Now let's get back to the video. Warm your sterilized jars and lids in hot water to prevent breakage when filling with hot sauce. Ladle sauce into jars leaving the proper headspace, wipe rims clean, and apply lids finger tight. Process jars in a boiling water bath for the recommended minutes based on jar size and altitude, then remove and cool undisturbed. Check each seal, label with contents and date, and store in a cool, dark place for best quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.